If budgets were the answer to wealth, everyone with a spreadsheet would be rich. Think about that. For decades, we've been told to cut back, track every dollar, and stick to strict budgets. But in 2025, that advice is outdated. This video is about something better, a concept called financial flow, where your money doesn't just sit. It moves, multiplies, and works for you. If you're tired of budgeting that feels like a financial diet, stick around. This video will transform how you manage money for long-term wealth. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon. This channel helps you break free from basic advice and build real financial freedom through mindset, investing, and strategy. Now let's unlock your flow. Part 1. Why traditional budgeting keeps you stuck. Let's get real. Budgeting alone will never make you rich. Here's why. It's based on limitation, not expansion. It focuses on cutting expenses, not growing income. And it often creates guilt around spending, instead of clarity around purpose. Budgets are like crash diets. They work short-term, but they're hard to maintain and rarely lead to long-term results. In 2025, with inflation, side hustles, automation, and investing, evolving your money plan needs an upgrade. Part 2. What is financial flow? Financial flow is a modern wealth approach where your money works in a circular, self-sustaining way. It's not just about saving. It's about building systems that grow income, automate wealth, building aligned spending with values. Minimize friction, maximize freedom. Think of it like this. Instead of stopping a river with a dam budget, you build a smart channel that directs the water to power your goals. Part 3. The 5 pillars of financial flow. Let us break down the 5 pillars of financial flow that can reshape your money game in 2025. 1. Income expansion. Before you slash Netflix subscriptions or stop eating out, ask yourself, how can I earn more? Monetize your skills. Start a digital side hustle. Explore remote freelance gigs. Use AI tools to create leverage. Focus on growing the pie, not shrinking it. 2. Automated allocation. You shouldn't manually decide where every dollar goes. That's exhausting. Use automation tools to set rules like 20% to investments, 10% to emergency savings, 5% to guilt-free fund, the rest handled by your system. Set it up once, let it flow. 3. Intentional spending. Instead of asking, is this in the budget? Ask, does this align with what I value? Examples. Spending on courses equals value. Growth. Travel equals value. Experiences. Gym equals value. Health. This way, money serves your life, not the other way around. 4. Wealth multiplication. Your money should make money. In 2025, it's easier than ever to invest. Index funds, low-fee, passive growth, REITs, real estate without owning property. Robo-advisors, set and forget AI-driven investing. Custom portfolios. Flow means every dollar has a job, and most jobs should be wealth building. 5. Financial resilience. Life is unpredictable. Instead of reacting, build buffers. Emergency fund. 3, 6 months. Insurance. Multiple income streams, low-interest debt plans. When you're resilient, your flow isn't interrupted by chaos. Part 4. Real-life flow. Example. Let's say James, a 30-year-old in Chicago, makes $6,000 a month. Here's how he uses financial flow. $1,200 auto-invested in index funds, $600 to emergency savings, $300 to skill development, $500 set aside for travel, $3,400 handles rent, food, and bills auto-paid. He doesn't need a budget spreadsheet. He has financial flow. Income is growing, wealth is compounding, and his lifestyle matches his values. Part 5. Tools to create your flow in 2025. Here are some tools that can help. Empower, formerly Personal Capital Net Worth, plus investment tracking. Part 6. Action plan. Start building flow today. Here's your simple 3-step plan to start today. List your current income and values. Don't think about it every month. Let it flow. Budgeting helps you survive. Financial flow helps you thrive. 2025 isn't about cutting back. It's about building up your income, your freedom, your future. If this changed how you think about money, hit like, share this video with a friend who's stuck in budget prison, and don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing content every week. This is Official Financically, helping you move from limited to limitless. Until next time, let your money flow.